So hello guys, I am back with another project, that is project number 23, profit calculator. So we will do the project through Thunkable. So to start our project, we will just click on start project, and if you are not signed in Thunkable, you have to just sign with your email ID, then you can make your project. So here I will make my project. So this is the Thunkable place where we can make our project. So first we will do our designing part. And now I will just change the background of our screen. I will select this background. So now I will take label, and here I will text as selling price. Now I will take a text input. So now I will drag a label, and here I will text as cost price. Yes, and now we will take this cost price below text input. This is label 2. And we will drag this cost price below text input 1. Yes, and now I will take one more text input. I will drag it here on my screen below label 2, and hint will be typed here. Okay, so now I will take a button below this text input 2, and then here I will write as calculate. And if we want, we can change the background or text color, and then we will take one more label that will be between text input 2 and button 1. Yes, and this will be empty where we will display our answers. So now our designing part is done. Now we will code our app. We have to go on blocks. Yes, and now I will go on variable. Now I will take initialize app, this first one, and I will name as profit. So now I will take initialize variable, and here I will name it as profit. So first I will take 4 times initialize variable. Now I will just take 3 times because we have to take 4 times. Again I will take one more time. Yes. Now I will name this second one as cost price. Yes. And here I will name as selling price. And here I will name profit percentage. Yes. And now I will go on math. I will take this first block and I will attach it. Now I will go on math and I will take this first block and I will attach here on fourth one. And now I will go on button 1. Now I will take when button 1, and now I will go on variable and I will take set app variable selling price. So we will take this second block and we will attach here. We will change this to app variable selling price. And now I will go on logic and text input 1. Okay, and then I will take this fourth block and I will attach it here. Text input 1's text. Then again I will go on variable, then I will take the second block and here I will change to app variable cost price. Yes, this third one. Now again I will go on text input 2. I will go and I will take this fourth block and I will attach it here. Now again I will go on variable and I will take set app variable profit. Now I will take the second block and I will change to app variable profit and I will go on tech. I will go on math and I will take minus sign and again I will go on variable and I will take app variable selling price and then I will take app variable cost price. Then I will go on variable and I will take app variable cost price. Then I will go on variable and I will take the second block and here I will change to app variable profit percentage and then I will go on math and I will take divided by sign and then I will go on math and I will take multiply by sign and now here I will go on variable and I will take app variable selling price multiply by 100 divided by app variable cost price. I will go on variable and I will take app variable cost price. Yes, and now the last thing I will go on label 3 and I will take set text and then I will go on text and I will take join block and then I will go on math and I will take this round block and I will attach here and I will delete this block and then I will go on variable and I will take app variable profit percentage and I will attach here and then I will here take as percentage sign. Yes, so now our coding is done. Now we will click on live test to check whether our app is working or not. Yes, and here I will type as selling price is 10 and cost price is 5. So I will click on calculate 200 percentage. I will check with another number. Selling price is 100, 99. Calculate 101%. Yes, and now I will here write as 10 and here I will type as 20. And now we will check calculate 50%. Okay, it's working properly. So now our design and coding part is done and our app is also working properly. So this project is very easy. So this is what selling price, what we sell in our shop. If a pen, if I am selling that pen in 10 rupees and I am buying that pen in 5 rupees, so how much profit I will get, that percent will come here. So we can use it for calculating any number or anything. So this is very useful app and our project is completed. So bye guys.